Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide photos on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open the Photos app, then go to the Library section and tap on Select. Now from here, just select the photos which you want to hide. For an example, I will select these photos. Now after you select the photos which you want to hide, just tap on the three dots over here and select Hide. Then tap on Hide Photos. And by doing that, you will hide the selected photos. Now to find the hidden photos on your iPhone, in the Photos app, just tap on Collections, and under the Utilities section, you will find the option of Hidden. Just tap on it. Now just use your Face ID or enter the passcode of your iPhone to open the Hidden Photos folder. Now just tap on View Album, and as you can see, these are the photos which we have hidden. Now if you want to unhide the photos, just tap on Select, then select the photos which you want to unhide. Now just tap on the three dots over here and select Unhide. And by doing that, you will unhide the selected photos, just like that. Now if you want to hide the hidden photos folder, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the Photos app. Then tap on it. And from here, you will find the option of Show Hidden Album. Just disable this toggle. And by disabling this toggle, you will hide the Hidden Photos folder on your iPhone. Now, if you want to show the Hidden Photos folder, just go back to Settings. And in the Photos app settings, just enable Show Hidden Album. And by doing that, you will unhide the Hidden Photos folder on your iPhone. And this is how you can hide photos on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.